Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to join the Telegram group. Joining a Telegram group lets you connect with communities and stay updated with the latest discussions and news. So, let's get started on how to join the Telegram group. First, open the Telegram app. At the top of the screen, you will see a search button. Tap on it and type in the name of the group you want to join. From the search results that appear, select the group that you want to join. At the very bottom of the group chat, you will see a join button. Simply tap on it to join the group. And this is how you can join the Telegram group. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.